So more merchandise just came in, and we actually have a huge Harley Quinn statue in a box over here, but I'm not gonna unbox that one because it's too expensive. To begin with, we have this huge Transformers from Takara Tomy. It is the Cybertron Universe Metroplex. This has some weight to it, so it is actually pretty awesome looking. I'm just gonna put this one over here. Now, where should we begin? Godzilla 2002. It's a nice one. We have Karma Akeboni from Nendoroid. I'm gonna unbox this one or unwrap this one. We got a Snake Trooper for me, for my collection of Masters of the Universe. The Invisible Man, Donatello as the Invisible Man, Ultimate Action Figure. That's a weird combination. I'm not quite sure why and how. Then we have these two, Dreadbear and what's the name of this one? Dreadbear? I'm not quite sure. It's probably from that whatever. Cuties. Then we have some Avatar stuff going on. Tutti and Dire Horse. Now this customer also bought something from the Rodekassen, and supposedly this 1899 Scorpion gunship is going to be making a huge Avatar diorama, or have someone that just loves playing with it. Jake Sully and Banshee. And Miles Quaritch, Evil Man. Uncharted, Nathan Drake. Tom Holland as Nathan Drake. I saw that movie. I was like, not quite sure how I liked it, but it was okay. We got this hoodie, Attack on Titan men's zipper hoodie in medium. Can't see it all, but you can see the logo and the writing here. And we have a small mix box here. This box is not so big. It came on a pallet due to the Harley Quinn stuff. Oh, this looks expensive. Gold stuff. What is it? Vinyl gold, Outcast, big. Big boy. Premium vinyl figure from Outcast. That looks cool. Well, hey, this is not the same one. This is Andre 3000 premium vinyl figure. I thought it was two of the same. What's that? Oh. Nice, nice, nice. Well, that's it. This was a small unboxing. Not the biggest haul, but it's fine. It's because we have some big items. Needs to be shipped out as well. So I will hurry up and ship these so you can get them tomorrow. Take care. Bye.